My name is OVG. Welcome to another episode of The Sauce. Really excited to be here back with another video. We're back with some shoes that are hated by a lot of people but loved by a lot. Really comfortable shoe. I'm talking none other than Yeezy Foam Runner Vermillion.
Welcome to the Sauce, Saucy's channel of the mall. I got Jordan 13s, I got Nike SB, got Yeezy Calabaza, tell them que tranza. It's your boy OBG, spice it up for the sauce. Yeah, it's the sauce.
Before we get into all this about the shoe, you know how we do it at The Sauce. We like to really go deep down into what's going on with the shoe. So we're going to go and check out the history that lays behind the shoe.
Who the fuck is Kanye West?
I am not gay, and I sure as hell ain't no fish. I'm a genius, all right? I'm the most talented musician in the world.
Yeah, Kanye, we all know you're a genius. Not only did you do the GC line, you also made beautiful albums like Kids See Ghosts, Jesus, Yay, The Life of Pablo, and Graduation. Before Kanye West was with Adidas, on January 2007, he saw his first release of one of Kanye's earliest sneakers collaborations, a special edition Babe stuff from a Anything Babe. We all know Kanye West is a very talented musician. He also wanted to grow in a fashion designer, so in 2007 he signed his first shoe deal with Nike. Nike Air Yeezy were chosen from public release, a sand gray colorway that released on April 4, 2009. And it was the colorway that was created after almost equal input from Smith & West, a black pink colorway. On February 9, 2014, the Red Octobers released exclusively on Nike's website, and they sold out within seconds. Right now, they retail on StockX for somewhere around the $12,000 margin. In 2014, Kanye West and Nike decided to break up their relationship. He left the door open for the three lines to come and sign Yeah to a 10-year deal, allowing him to have more freedom in the designing department for Adidas.
That's a challenge for me is, I designed this thing, we call it the Foam Runner, and we built a factory for it in Cody, and you can make these in 25 minutes. I've been saying I want to get rid of laces, and we still have shoes we sell with laces because it's a popular shoe and people love this shoe, and it hurts me. I feel like Steve Jobs trying to remove buttons off the side of the next Apple. And one of the things that's interesting about this, if you look at most sneakers, if you look at you guys sneakers right now, you have a tongue, and it goes this direction. Mm-hmm. This is one of the innovations about this is one reason why this is one of the most important sneaker designs is this goes this way because it's ergonomic.
That's why today we're bringing you the Yeezy Foam Runner Red Vermillion. This shoe is covered in red, from the heel to the toe to the soles. Everything is covered in red. The main thing that I want to tell you guys about this shoe is that it's very comfortable. That's the number one priority why I would buy this shoe, is that it's super comfortable. The foam they use makes it grip to your foot. It's amazing feeling that you get. Without further ado, let's try them on feet now.
The box, it looks like you went, to the hood over there in Mexico and went to the panaderia and got some conchas. But I guess it's good because they get a bunch of cardboard and recycle it, and they make boxes from recycled cardboard. So starting off with the box, it's gonna be nothing but a plain box all around, just a cardboard box. And then inside you're gonna see says foam. At the bottom says Foam Runner. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. So I wore this pair for about more than a week. it's a really comfortable shoe. There's a difference between these ones and the red ones. The red ones were made in China with a different type of paint. This one were made in the USA, so they feel a little more heavier, I would say, but not really a big difference. The other ones are a little more stiffer, but it's not a huge difference. So we all know who Kanye West. If you live in the 21st century and you don't know about him, you must be living under a rock. Kanye West is a rapper. Well, he's a musician, as I would say. He's been really trying to push new designs, new inspirations on shoes. He was collaborating with Nike in the early 2005 when he brought out the Yeezys, the first ones. Nowadays, he's working with Adidas because in Nike, they didn't allow him to push product that he wanted to do. Different designs, crazy designs like this ones that you see right here. He's a big fan of not having shoelaces on the shoe. He always says that Nike always pushes the same designs on the same shoes and that we're suckers for buying the same designs. There was controversy about this shoe. They got into a little argument with Walmart because Walmart copied the exact same design. And they were retailing them at Walmart for $19, which is crazy because this shoe cost $70 when they came out. Now, if you go on StockX or Gold, they go for around $300, $175. It just depends how lucky you can get. These are size 10, and we got them from Gold. We paid how much, Chayu? $120 for this, so we got pretty lucky on this shoe. So this is gonna be the end of the video. Let me know in the comments if you like this shoe, if you would wear it. In my personal opinion, I feel like I will never go outside the streets to wear this, like to the club or maybe on a date with my girl. I think maybe like for a Sunday carne asada with the homies at the house, maybe if you're feeling lazy with some pants, I would wear this shoe. I wouldn't really recommend to wear it outside, but I mean, that's just my personal opinion. Really comfortable shoe. It's really comfortable. Once you wear this and you wear something else, you're gonna be mind blown. But yeah, it's gonna be the end for the video. Let me know if you like this shoe, if you would cop it, if you would drop it, if you would sell it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and support this channel so it could grow and we could bring more shoes that are more expensive and really exclusive. It's gonna be it for the video. This is your boy OVG. I'll catch you guys next time at the sauce. Peace.